IoT meets cyber and security. Through software you can reconfigure IoT things that are connected, so software is actually ruling your environment. Connected software programs are controlling, monitoring many entities around you. This brings a lot of opportunities but also lots of challenges. In my keynote I will set the stage for IoT meets cyber and security.
I will first of all introduce the process mining technology, where we take data from underlying IT systems or customer relations management systems, so any system where we collect data, and we will connect them with the Celonis software, where we can first of all reconstruct how processes are run in the real world, in the businesses. Then we can analyze and find bottlenecks in the process. And finally, we want to find improvement potentials in order to make the process more efficient and smarter, more effective, more sustainable. Upload the data, analyze the data, and in the end also find business value in the delivery process. In the hands-on challenge, you will all get your individual access, your individual license of the academic edition of the Celonis Execution Management System. And then there, upload own data from a delivery process, analyze the data by creating own dashboards, and in the end also coming up with improvement potentials, so telling where the process can be improved in specific ways to make it better and faster and also better for the customers in the end.
Code. It is the main method that we use to define our world today. With code we define smartphone apps, websites, but also critical infrastructure that supply us with energy, production and health. So for code to be such a powerful method, we need to know how to use it securely. So we will talk which actions have to take place to make code secure, how to implement them into the development lifecycle, and how research in the industry, but also Rickrolling, will help us to produce secure code.
Cybersecurity Challenges is a new and innovative way to learn security software development. This game was developed at Siemens in partnership with the University of Armed Forces in Munich and ISCTE in Portugal. In this hands-on workshop, the participants will be presented with exercises containing vulnerable code. The goal of the game is for the participants to collect points through fixing the existing security vulnerabilities while keeping the functionality of the code intact. We welcome you to our challenges and hope you have a good time.
Securing distributed and collaborative business processes that involve industrial Internet of Things or services in a cross-organizational context is a challenging task. It becomes even more difficult when the involved parties do not trust each other completely. This keynote presents some real-world use cases where there is a need to enforce cross-organizational business processes without a trusted third party.
Here at AWS, we consider that security is job zero. The purpose of the keynote is to give you all the key to understand the AWS cloud and the associated value proposition regarding information security. I will first introduce AWS and its peculiar vision about cloud computing. I will then explain how to build resilient and secure application on AWS while presenting the key security principles associated to the cloud. We will talk about self-healing system, high availability, serverless, managed services, defense in depth, network security, and security at the edge of agility. At the end of the keynote, you will know most of the security fundamentals of cloud security and will be presented one of the state-of-the-art concept and challenge regarding information security in the cloud. See you on Wednesday, the 1st of December at IoT Meets Cyber.
In a context of industrial evolution and the transition to Industry 4.0, the digitalization of industry is necessary. The digital twin is the keystone to this transition by providing a complete digital factory, which enables new ways of simulate and predict behaviors and new ways of training new operators. During my keynote, I will talk about the digital twin, its usage in industry, and its usage in combination with mixed reality. And I will finish by presenting a use case in a French factory.
I'm going to explain how to rebuild this vending machine blueprint, LED matrix, Raspberry Pi, I2C touchscreen, USB. If the user press buy or order button, then we are simulating the item preparation.
The talk will start with a description of some way to secure the connected cars environment by enabling hardening of communications and cybersecurity monitoring of the communication exchanges through the bus.
It will continue with a discussion on communication for mobile vehicles, so in both cars and unoccupied area systems. And in the end, there will be a bit of an excursion on autonomy and the impact that autonomy, particularly for aircraft, has on security properties.